Fuck you, put my shirt's lying there.
Is your what? I don't have your keys. I threw them in the back of the car.
Are you fucking serious?
Yeah.
You didn't.
Yes, I did.
I blocked the car.
Why do we have my keys? They're in the back of the car. Oh, God. I threw them back there. They're like in the trunk. Can you see them?
No. Yeah, I probably have dirt on my forehead. If you're serious about
What are you talking about? They're in the back of the car. 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 Oh, God. I told you they were in the back of the car. That is in the back. Ew.
Wash my foot.
She couldn't find the keys. You're stupid. Oh, I love the keys in the back of the car. Told you they were in the back. I didn't say, like, in. I said they're in the back of the car. You almost attacked our viewers. Oh, you need to clean that face, Amanda. That thing's disgusting.
Look at your face.
My face is pretty. Oh, look, it's Luke. Hi, Luke. I love you. I just tripped over the chair. Oh, he just says, Luke, come here. Luke. No, he went into the guy's bathroom. Oh. Following her into the bathroom where she's going to wash her feet in the sink. With no paper towels. How is she supposed to wash them now?
They're washed. You mean dry?
Yeah, same thing. Move it, move.
The toilet paper.
Ew! Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Oh, hold on. Right there. So. This is what she does in the bathroom in her spare time. Ew, there's something in the toilet.
Yeah, I know. I just threw it in there.
That was funny. There's something in the toilet.
Wait, I can't do this.
I'll hold your phone.
Nope.
Fine, be fag. Amanda's gay.
I think that's the cave.
Shut up, you fairy.
Fairy?
Oh, air. I like the air.
Can't leave, can't wait.
Oh, gosh. Look at her face. It's so funny. Ew. Look at her in the bathroom. Look at that little fairy in there.
Ew, did you just fart?
No, he's just playing with the door.
Ooh, Asia farted.
You don't have them.
Right,
Say YouTube. Say YouTube.
Gotcha, on YouTube.
You're on Kid Camera. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to YouTube. Say bye-bye. She says bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.